Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is another LV unboxing. I removed the thing from the box. So let's open it up. So it doesn't come with ribbon. I think the ribbon's so cute, but it didn't come with it. Sometimes it comes with it inside, but it didn't. So, and then of course the envelope that it has all the care instructions. And if this is not your first LV unboxing, I do have others that you guys can see. And then I really love these little boxes. If I could open it. Let me see. Okay. Now, oh, it did come with the ribbon. Rolled like this. So I guess I can do my own. And then it came with the cute little, if you're gonna gift it, which I really like when these come. They're really cute. And then it comes with like a blank card. So you guys can see. See, it comes with a little card and then you just write on it. Sometimes you could ask them to write on it. This one came sealed. But anyways, it's a little white paper that you can write on it. So let's put that on the side. And if you guys cannot guess what I bought, so I have a couple of these. I did buy the Game On collection one. I didn't post it on the video, but I bought it for Christmas. And guess which one this is? This is the new Valentine's Day collection. I do plan to put it on one of my bags. It's really cute. So there is an unboxing coming. Hopefully my bag shows up soon. I did buy a new bag. I already started the year buying stuff. But yeah, this is really cute. Let me show you guys the detail in this. The detail is beautiful. Looks like feathers. You guys can see. It's like a feather look. Like feathers and ribbons, it looks like. And then of course at the end the LV logo. And this is just priceless. And the inside is what I really like too. It just has the monogram. See, it has the monogram with hearts. I think this is so cute because you can use it both ways. If you want like pink or if you want something more plain. So here, let me put the side by side of the inside and the outside so you guys can see. I really love how this looks. So yeah, comment down below if you guys got your hands on one of these. This is the Valentine's Day collection 2021. And comment down below if you guys, how do you guys style them besides on your bags. Till next time guys, bye.